Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download TikTok on your PC or laptop. So first of all, what you have to do is just open up the Google Chrome and search for this Google Chrome Web Store. Google Chrome Web Store is official web store for Google where you can download such apps like TikTok and Instagram and like this. So just open the Google Chrome Web Store first, tap on this Chrome Web Store. This window will be pop up for you, and in the search bar you have to search for TikTok. You will see the various results for this. So tap on the first one, click on it, and now from here you have to tap on this add to Chrome. Click on this add extension, and now you will see this TikTok icon in your extension bar. So when you click on this, you will see this window will be pop up for you like a TikTok mobile application, and from here you can watch the TikTok videos, you can scroll down, you can do whatever you want in TikTok application. You can like the video, you can download the video, and you can use the whole TikTok application like you used in your mobile. So that's it for this video. That's how you can download TikTok on your PC. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.